function is a set of statements that performs a task or calculates a value. For example, if we have a function like addition function which takes a and b inputs as arguments, and then it returns the addition of a and b. Here we create addition a and b, and then we create a new variable called result in which we call our add function with the values of 10 and 20, and then we console log the result, and then we will have the value of 30. This is the result of a plus b. Let's go to another example. Let's create another function like multiplication, call it mult, which is a function, also a function which takes two arguments, c and d. Then we open curly braces. It will not return anything. It's an example of function doesn't. Create another variable constant called multi, which is equal to our mult function with the values 4 and 5, for example. And then we must print our multi, our function. Okay, let's go and have the result. Look, it's print undefined. It's pretty easy. Our example was a function that has arguments, but it does not return anything. Even if we call our function with values, it will not return anything, because we here don't have, for example, return c times d or something like this. It will not return anything. Let's have another example of function. Let's create another function, for example, const like division. Now let's call it div, which is equal to function which will have no arguments, no inputs, which will return 1. Then we create another variable const divs, which will equal to our div function with value. Our div function, it has no arguments, and we want to print our div. It will be, we will print this to look what is the value of our function. Let's have a look on it. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, look, it printed 1. It's obvious because in our function that we wrote, it has no arguments, it only returns 1. Even if we call our function without any arguments, it will return to 1 again. It's all for today. Thanks.